it into place. That works. And push back in, and it stays in tightly. And now let's go ahead and switch it on. Dual Punk console is now complete. As you can see, I used cardboard to make as a housing, and I've cut out a hole here so that way you can see the speaker and the speaker can be able to make it sound better. I attached the knobs on both sides so you can be able to hold on to the potentiometers a little better. I have the power supply, which is the battery, that's just connected right here. A little hole here which you can take a screwdriver, like you would normally do for any kind of toy or device, to unscrew. In this case is to stick the screwdriver through this hole and push the battery out. I made this purposely small enough so it can hold the battery snug so that it doesn't fall out, as you can see. And then right here I have the on and off switch on. This is off, and now it's on. And now let's go ahead and do a little demonstration and see how this sounds. Go ahead and switch on. I can turn these knobs and I'll make funny sounds. And there you have it. And just simply go ahead and turn it off. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own Duel Punk console made with a 556 timer. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.